What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, and some quick information about one of the most expensive wines in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Also one of the most famous wines made in Pomerol on the right bank near Saint-Emilion. We are also near to the famous iconic Pétrus wine. We are looking at Le Pin. This is a Merlot-based, Merlot-dominant blend of wine, 90+% Merlot with a little bit of Cabernet Franc. One of the best wines in the world, one of the best rated wines by Robert Parker and many more critics. Le Pin. Le Pin from Pomerol. So Le Pin is not really a chateau. The label doesn't say chateau, but many call it Château Le Pin. Like Pétrus, it is not Château Pétrus, and this is not Château Le Pin, just simply Le Pin. Le Pin. Le Pin. Pomerol wine. Vin de Pomerol called Le Pin. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Here are videos if you want to learn more about Bordeaux wine. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Bye-bye.